She be fire dancer, hot girl from Africa. Wine and bust me speaker. Girl, you dey give me ginger. Young L and skill low. Major laser them low. Fire down, girl, let go. Bring the fire with you. Oh no, control. Make that booty bounce, girl, go low. Show me what you got, girl, for sure. Make all the man them want more. My bro, yeah. 50 with my bro, yeah. Lagos, I wanna come home. Lagos, I wanna come home. Show my love.
So this is the finished look. I went to put on some makeup and all of that, and guys, I have to say that I am very impressed with the color. I tried the Got to Be Glue method for the first time, and guys, I am loving it. Like, this is laid. I feel happy. I feel blazed. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about the wig, my experience with it, the pros, the cons, and all of that. First things first, this is the hair from ChocHair. This is their 360 degrees, 180 density custom wig, blonde wig, and they got the colors right. They got everything right. Like, I literally love this wig, guys, so much. I haven't had any issues with it. The packaging was amazing, as you guys could see. Very well packaged, very clean. It wasn't like the normal AliExpress stuff that you just put in like in a bag, whatever. It had like a hairbrush, it had wig clips, had a wig cap. It had like the elastic band if you wanted to have an elastic band on. It's not really necessary to have an elastic band because like it's pretty sturdy on my head right now, so I don't need an elastic band. And I really like the construction of the back. The back has a very nice, comfortable construction right here. Like, it's not scratching you at the back. It's not itchy. Like, you don't feel like there's something clawing at your back. I really love that. This is my first wig that I've seen that has such a solid cap construction. So I definitely really like that about the wig. No shedding. Literally, since I've been doing this hair and manipulating it and doing all this stuff, I literally have only seen like 2 strands of hair fall out. Like, I am dead serious. And for something that was bleached and colored and curled and everything, like no shedding whatsoever. Like, this is a run for your money. The waves have also been literally the same. I only added these waves right here like a couple minutes ago, which I really regret adding because it kind of messed up the structure of the wig. But yeah, the waves have stayed intact. So really, all I can really say about this hair are really pros. Very few cons to the hair at all, if any. The only thing I found was the weird smell that it had. It didn't have like a bad hair smell. It had like this weird perfumey, cheap perfume kind of smell. Like, I mean, I think maybe they were trying to make it smell nice, but it actually came off a little off-putting. So if you smell the hair, it smells like talcum powder, like baby powder. Like, it just has this unrealistic smell for hair, and I don't really like it. I've tried to get rid of it and I can't. So that's really the only con I have about the hair. Other than that, it's amazing. The cap construction is amazing. It fits my head. Another good thing about the hair is that it came pre-plucked. Like, hello, like I didn't need to pluck nothing at all. Nada. No. In fact, I didn't even bring tweezers near this hairline. Like, it already came natural looking, pre-plucked. Like, that's the good thing about a custom wig. Yes, it is more expensive, but you are getting your money's worth. Like, you don't need to stress over it. It's a way better wig quality, way better. You don't have to think about the webs coming undone or anything like that. And it's already like literally just wear and go. Like literally, guys, all I can say is good things about the hair. The only thing as well is on the pricier side. This is a custom wig. You're not gonna get this kind of color, this kind of make, this kind of cap construction like in a wholesale. You're not gonna get it like that. This is custom made for you. So it does take longer to make, all right? So it takes an extra 28 days to make a custom wig. So that's something you have to know. Don't expect it to come in 3 to 5 days like normal wigs. No, for a custom color, they have to add the length you want, the density, the color, and all of that. They literally custom make it for you. So it is gonna take at least a month to get it from them. So that's one thing. That's another con you have to put into place. So if you want this for like a birthday dinner or a party or your graduation, you have to order it way ahead of time so that you can get it before that date. That is one con that I found. I mean, can you get this somewhere else? Probably, but at the end of the day, this is my opinion about the company and I like it. I'm impressed. I give it a 5 stars. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Let me know if you like the wig in the description box below, in the comment section below. And if you're new to the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting for? Hello. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Au revoir.